am Hilda, the PTE trainer at Britfort. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips for scoring a good result in the PTE exam. The PTE exam is an amazingly computer-based, fair, unbiased evaluation system where you are judged mainly on your English language skills. PTE Academic is becoming very popular among students who aspire to go abroad to countries like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and even to the US. Now, some universities in the US are accepting the PTE score. Scoring well in PTE is not difficult if you follow a few simple rules. First and foremost, focus on good reading material, listening to good TV channels so that you can improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. The next important thing is to improve your reading skills by including speed reading and focusing on words that you are not familiar with. When you come across any words that are difficult and which you don't know the meaning of, it is always advisable to take the trouble of finding the meaning of those words and trying to make use of those words in sentences of your own. This definitely will enhance your vocabulary and will also improve your writing skills. Having a good vocabulary and acquiring a polished style of writing will definitely fetch you good marks in your essay writing as well as summarize the written text. Note making is also very essential for certain tasks like describe image, retell, lecture. It is important to make a note of the keywords which you could use in your described image and retell lecture. Next, it is important to pay attention to time limit and also to word limit. You should be able to finish the task comfortably without any difficulty. So practicing with a number of mock tests will definitely help you in this. The PTE speaking test begins with an introduction of oneself. It is important that you give a good introduction of yourself to create a good impression right at the start. Finally, there is no better way of getting a good score in your PTE exam than by getting the help of an expert PTE trainer who will give you constructive criticism and also feedback to help you to get a good score in your exam.